Hi there, students. Sick. Okay, sick is an adverb that means thus, in this way, exactly as was originally written. Let's see, imagine you are writing a doctoral thesis or something where you quote the words or the text of somebody else. And in that quotation, you think that there's a mistake. Maybe there's a spelling mistake. Or maybe the punctuation or the grammar is wrong. Or maybe the logic is faulty. Yeah? Then after this quotation, you write sick in brackets, in square brackets, to show that it's not actually part of the original quoted, the original quotation. So sick says, I'm quoting this exactly as it came from the original text. I'm using the original. And this is how you use sick. Okay? It's something you use in a formal document when you use a quotation. And there's something in the quotation that doesn't work. For example, he said he would see me at Wednesday. Sick, in square brackets. At Wednesday? No, on Wednesday. Or maybe he wrote SEA instead of SEE. Sick again. Or a quotation that says, this drives the author to the conclusion that all people were not born equal. Sick. I think the logic of this is faulty. Yeah, it's not reasonable. Okay, so this is saying that I haven't made an error in transcription, and I'm calling your mistake, your notice to it. You can also use it to show general disapproval of what is said. Yeah, so maybe you could quote some of Adolf Hitler's tenets and then write sick after them, saying, I really don't like these. Okay, and that's the idea of this. Okay, so sick. Written in brackets after a word or a phrase that you've quoted to show that it's been spelled wrongly, that it's been used wrongly, that you disagree with it, that the logic is not right. Okay, you're showing it's erroneous. You don't agree with it. It looks odd, and it then shows that you are writing it as the original writer wrote it, and this is not your mistake. Yeah, I'm not responsible for this. Yeah, it's a questionable use of a word. Okay, so it's saying that the quotation contains unconventional spelling, something you don't like, something that you think is illogical, unreasonable. But this is something you need to use when you're in a printed text or in a written text. Okay, to sick also actually has another meaning. It can mean to set an animal, particularly a dog, on someone, to order an animal to attack. He sicked his dog on me. The police sicked their dogs on the thief who was running away, yeah, to let it loose to attack. Sick boy. Okay, and I think that's the idea of this, although I think this usage is pretty unusual. Notice as well, as I said, this comes from Latin, meaning thus, yeah, just as, in full. The whole thing is sic erat scriptum, thus it was written. Okay, so this is exactly what the original author wrote. Now the next question, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 10 in formality. This is only something you would use in a formal writing, yeah, in a thesis or a research document or something like that. And this is even on the formal side of that. Maybe you could use it in a legal document as well. Yeah, when you're recording what the person actually wrote, but you're saying this is not my responsibility. Okay, so very, very formal indeed. Okay, sick. Yeah, so if you quote someone, you can use sick if you think what they're saying is not really any good. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sick.